What if everything you've ever feared as disease was actually your body's way of healing itself? What if fever, vomiting, coughing, inflammation weren't enemies to fight, but messages from your inner intelligence saying, "I'm cleansing and healing you"? Welcome to Vortex Tribe, where we journey into the heart of consciousness, energy, and universal truth. Today, we're flipping the script on one of the biggest lies in modern medicine, that symptoms are something to suppress, when they're actually signs that your body is working perfectly. Because what if your body was never broken, but just trying to restore its balance? Think about the last time you were sick. Maybe you had a fever that burned through you, a cough that kept you up all night, or food poisoning that left you emptied out. We label these moments as bad, as if the body betrayed us. But what if, in truth, these were acts of brilliance, the body's ancient intelligence doing exactly what it's designed to do? Science already tells us fever increases white blood cell activity and slows viral replication. Vomiting and diarrhea rapidly expel toxins. Coughing clears the lungs. Inflammation recruits immune cells to heal damaged tissue. That's not failure, that's precision. Your body isn't punishing you, it's healing you. But here's the paradox. The modern world calls this disease. We're taught to silence the cough, lower the fever, numb the pain, instead of asking why it appeared. It's like seeing a fire alarm and smashing it, thinking the sound was the problem. But the alarm wasn't the threat. The fire was. In the same way, symptoms aren't malfunctions. They're messages. They're the body's way of saying, "Something's out of harmony. Let me fix it." This is the hygienic view of healing. Disease isn't an invader to cure. It's a biological correction. Nature's cleanup crew restoring the terrain to balance. So instead of asking, "How do I cure this?" try asking, "What is my body trying to release? What needs to rest, cleanse, or realign? What can I remove so the body can do what it already knows?" Here's the simple framework. Remove the cause. Eliminate what's toxic, physically, mentally, emotionally. Support the system. Give your body energy, hydration, sunlight, fresh air, movement, and sleep. Trust the process. Symptoms are temporary. They complete when the body has finished its work. Your job isn't to fight the body, it's to partner with it. So what if disease was never your enemy, but your evolution in disguise? What if every fever, every rash, every ache was your body whispering, "I'm returning you to harmony"? When we stop fearing the body, we begin hearing it. And when we listen, healing becomes not something we force, but something that flows. If this message resonates, share it with someone who's been taught to fear their own body. Let's rewrite the story of "I'm ill" to "My body is healing." Subscribe for more educational content that helps to raise our collective consciousness. Until next time.